Hey friends, Karen Basket DIYer here. Welcome back for another fun tumbler tutorial with me. All right, so the tumbler that I have for you today is another fun, easy duct tape tumbler tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I use duct tape with this one. The options are endless when it comes to using duct tape because it comes in such a wide variety of designs. So just stay tuned, follow along, and I'll walk you through the steps and show you how I created this easy, beautiful duct tape tumbler. All right, so my tumbler is sanded and prepped. This is just a 20 ounce. I know curved tumblers can sometimes be hard to work with and wrap things around, but I am going for it. I've got this fun duct tape. It's kind of like a brush stroke duct tape. I picked this up at Michael's one day. You know, it's kind of hit and miss on what you can find, where you can find it. But if you just look, there are lots of fun duct tapes out there. I've done another duct tape tumbler tutorial. I did another one several months back. But this is just a cute one, fun one. And I'm gonna be wrapping it around the top of the tumbler and then going from there. You could see that I struggled a bit getting it on that curve. I knew that was going to be difficult, but now then I'm just popping air pockets, little air bubbles, and hoping to get all those out. Okay, now I am ready to use my painter's tape off and glitter the bottom portion. Once I got it taped off, masked off, I grabbed my Peaches and Cream Flippin' Awesome paint from the CrystaLac Company and gave it a pretty generous coat. Then I grabbed my Peaches and Cream glitter from the glitter guy and dumped it right over that. I allowed that to dry for 2 hours and thought that it was still looking a little bit too sheer, so I just grabbed my glitter glue, went right back over all of the glitter, and then used the Peaches and Cream and dumped a second layer over that glitter glue. I really could have avoided a second layer had I just gotten a better coverage with my Flippin' Awesome paint the first time. Maybe did 2 or 3 coats of Flippin' Awesome. Okay, so pretty much right after I got that second layer of glitter on, I peeled my tape and then allowed it all to dry for 4 hours. Here's a close-up of the glitter, Flippin' Awesome paint, and tape that I used. Once everything had been dry for the appropriate time, I then dusted everything off with a dry brush or a chip brush. And then I was able to move on and seal it all up with glitter glue. But I completely forgot to record that step for you. Okay, so I am about to use the silver nail tape out of this great variety pack that I got. I know I told you in the last video, or one of the last videos, I was gonna branch out and use color, but I'm just not there yet. I'm gonna be putting this on here and then this Hello Gorgeous. So I think I've gotta go with silver for sure on this one. I'm really loving these nail tapes. They're super easy to work with. After I got that nail tape on, I then just grabbed my glitter glue, and I like to just seal over my nail tape, you know, just to help keep it from repelling bright tone. I also did the duct tape. In fact, I ended up just going over the whole entire tumbler just because, you know, doesn't ever hurt to have an extra layer of glitter glue on there to seal things up. While that glitter glue was still wet, I grabbed my Hello Gorgeous glitter from Glitter Heart Co. I sprinkled some out on my paper and then just gently sprinkled by hand all over just the glittered area of the tumbler. Now, a few pieces did sneak up onto the duct tape area, so here in a little bit you'll see me get those off, but for the most part I just wanted to keep it on the glittery area. Here I am cleaning off the excess that got up onto the top. It's really not a big deal, but you know, I just wanted it to mainly be on that lower area. I then allowed this glitter glue layer to dry for 2 hours. Then I dusted off the excess Hello Gorgeous glitter, and then I moved on to my bright tone layers, as you see here. I think I ended up doing 3 layers of bright tone to get it pretty smooth and level so that I would be able to then add my vinyl, which I'm about to do right now. I went with this little phrase, positive mind, positive vibes. I used Metalized Mist vinyl from Expressions Vinyl and Oracal 651 white permanent vinyl. And I just did an offset in Cricut Design Space to create this. Here I'm just showing you that I'm going to center it up on the front of the tumbler. Duct tape seam is on the very back. Once I got it all nice and centered, I just pressed it down. You know, you kind of have to be aware of the curve of the tumbler because sometimes that can cause issues with your vinyl trying to lay flat. Once I got that on there, I then just moved on with bright tone layers. I did about 5 or 6 layers. I did do 1 level sand in there after I got, you know, several layers on so that I would not scratch my vinyl. Continued on with a couple more until I achieved my amazing bright tone shine. And here is the finished product. A super shiny, glittery, duct tape glitter tumbler. Like I mentioned in the beginning, there are so many options and opportunities with duct tape and glitter. I just want to encourage you to get creative and think outside the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to all the fun things I used here today. Please let me hear from you in the comments section below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching.